Hey, man, I wanted to show you, have y'all ever had a flat tire and you don't know how to move it and you got to call somebody and you're scared to mess your rim up? Well, always remember this. If you have a flat tire on the front, all right, what you want to do is put all your weight on the passenger side of the car. So you want to drive sitting in the seat. Because what it'll do, if it's on the front, say it's on the front driver like this is, when you put the weight on the passenger side, what it does is it picks the front up and puts the weight on this driver's passenger tire, and vice versa. Now, like this here, I took the wheel off, and what I did was I just push it like this, and you can see, I'm gonna take it, and see I'm pushing the car like this, and that tire's off the ground because I have the weight on the driver's side. I mean, on the passenger side, man. And I just wanted to show everybody that, man, because I know everybody gets a flat tire and you don't know what to do, or the wheel comes off. Always remember, man, use your center of gravity. If it's a front right tire, sit on the passenger side. If it's a front passenger tire, sit on the driver's side. Balance the weight. If let's say, because a lot of times somebody will come in and they'll break the axle right here. They'll hit a tree and they'll break the axle. So what you want to do is sit on the opposite side, or if you got somebody with you, have them stand on the back footrest on the opposite side, and it picks it off the ground. All right. And I know everybody has, if you work on golf carts, man, everybody has come across this. If you haven't came across it, it's only a matter of time. You will come across it. All right. So just remember, passenger side tire, lean on the driver's side. Driver's side tire, lean on the passenger side. Same thing as the axle, man. All right, man. I just think, man, this is a quick tip to do. If you don't like this tip, let me know. If you do like it, man, comment below what kind of, matter of fact, let's do this. Comment below what kind of tricks and tips you use. That way we can pass the knowledge on to the person that don't know what to do, because that's what this channel is about. All right. So let me hear y'all's comments, what you do, and not just pertaining to tires, just pertaining to anything. Like, what do you do to, if something broke down and you can't move it, how do you move it? All right, man, stay tuned, man. I'll post some more.